Today we're making a pallet dog gate. So like any other pallet project, we start by tearing down the pallet, removing the nails, and because this was going to go inside the house, cleaning them. Once we cut the boards and laid them out exactly where we wanted them, we started to apply some glue. We didn't want this to move over time, so putting glue underneath the boards seemed like a good choice. So once all the boards are perfectly positioned and have enough glue, then we took out the nail gun. This would make sure that the glue would set, but we could paint it and install it right away. We went for a black stain, and I have to say that I was very impressed by the choice. Install the hinges, install the gates. We use an outside latch. This way the dogs wouldn't be able to open it, but for us it'd be easy to open with one finger. And it worked on the first try. It's been a very nice and quick project. Both my wife and I worked on it, and I'm quite sure that the dogs love it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you around.